Imagine this, 6 months from now, you're holding an extra $10,000. Feels good, right? It's not a dream, it's totally doable. You don't need a fancy job or a trust fund. You just need hustle, the right mindset, and a plan. That's what we're talking about today. We're on a journey to financial freedom, and this is a big step. Get ready to unlock your potential and make things happen. Remember, this isn't about getting rich quick, it's about taking control of your life and building a future you're proud of. This is about you taking charge. It's about proving to yourself that you can achieve anything you set your mind to. The power is in your hands. Are you ready to grab it? Let's do this. Hold up. If you're new to this series, hit pause for a second. Go back and check out the previous content. It's packed with valuable insights and sets the foundation for what we're diving into. We talked about mindset, self-belief, and the importance of hard work. We covered the basics of entrepreneurship and finding your passion. This is all about building a solid foundation for your success. Think of it like this: you wouldn't build a house without a strong foundation, right? Same goes for your financial future. Get that solid base and you'll be unstoppable. Once you're caught up, come back here, fired up, and ready to take action. Who says you need a traditional job to make serious money? We're living in the era of the side hustle, where anyone with passion and drive can create their own opportunities. Forget the 9-to-5 grind. It's time to be your own boss. The beauty of the side hustle is that it allows you to leverage your skills and interests to generate income on your own terms. Whether it's freelance writing, graphic design, social media management, or something completely unique to you, the possibilities are endless. The key is to identify your strengths, find a need in the market, and offer a valuable service or product. It's about solving problems and providing solutions that people are willing to pay for. And the best part? You're in control. Don't let anyone tell you what you can or can't achieve. It's time to hustle and create your own path to financial freedom. Think about something you're truly passionate about, something that gets you fired up and makes you lose track of time. Now, imagine turning that passion into a profitable side hustle. That's the power we're talking about. Maybe you're a fitness enthusiast who loves helping others achieve their health goals. Why not start a personal training business or offer online fitness coaching? Or perhaps you're a creative soul with a knack for photography or design. There's a huge demand for freelance creatives in today's digital landscape. The key is to identify the intersection between your passions, skills, and market demand. What problems can you solve? What value can you offer? Once you've answered these questions, you're well on your way to turning your passion into a profitable side hustle. Remember, the most successful entrepreneurs are those who are genuinely passionate about what they do. That passion translates into hard work, dedication, and ultimately success. Finding your winning idea. What's your unique value? Now, let's get down to brass tacks. How do you actually find that winning side hustle idea? It's all about tapping into your unique skills, experiences, and interests. What makes you different? What value can you offer that others can't? Start by brainstorming a list of your skills, hobbies, and things you're knowledgeable about. Don't censor yourself. Let the ideas flow freely. Once you have a solid list, start thinking about how you can translate those skills into a service or product that people would be willing to pay for. Think about problems you've solved for yourself or others in the past. What are people always asking for your help with? These are all clues to your unique value proposition and potential side hustle ideas. Remember, the best ideas often come from a place of genuine passion and a desire to make a difference. So what are you waiting for? Grab your notebook, start brainstorming, and let those winning ideas flow. From idea to income. Action steps for success. You've got your killer side hustle idea. Now what? It's time to turn that idea into a reality and start generating income. First, validate your idea. Talk to potential customers, conduct market research, and get feedback. Next, create a basic business plan. Outline your target audience, pricing strategy, and marketing plan. Build your online presence. Create a website or social media profiles to showcase your services or products. Finally, start marketing your hustle. Use social media, networking, and content creation to reach your audience. With the right mindset and action plan, you can turn your side hustle into a profitable venture. Hustle smarter, not harder. Time management tips. Managing your time effectively is crucial for running a side hustle. You're juggling your day job, personal commitments, and entrepreneurial pursuits. It can feel overwhelming, but it doesn't have to be. Work smarter, not harder. Set clear goals and prioritize tasks. Leverage technology to streamline processes. Take regular breaks to avoid burnout. Time is your most valuable asset. Manage it well to achieve more and create a better work-life balance. Doubters. Gonna doubt. Stay focused. Stay strong. As you embark on your side hustle journey, you're bound to encounter doubters and naysayers. People who don't understand your vision or question your ability to succeed. Don't let them get to you. Remember why you started this journey in the first place. Hold on to your passion, your drive, and your belief in yourself. Surround yourself with positive and supportive people who uplift and encourage you. Prove the doubters wrong through your actions, not your words. Let your success be your noise. And when you achieve your goals, don't forget to celebrate your victories, no matter how big or small. The path to success is rarely linear. There will be challenges, setbacks, and moments of doubt. But it's during these times that your resilience, determination, and unwavering belief in yourself will be tested and ultimately define your success. Your journey starts now. The $10,000 challenge awaits. So there you have it. The blueprint for making $10,000 in 6 months without a traditional job. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme, but a roadmap to unlocking your potential and creating the life you deserve. Now, it's time to take action. Don't wait for the perfect moment or the perfect plan. Start today, even if it's just taking a small step forward. Every action, no matter how small, moves you closer to your goals. Are you ready to accept the $10,000 challenge? The journey starts now. Stay tuned for the next video in this series, where we'll dive deeper into specific side hustle ideas and strategies for success. Let's make it happen. If you found this helpful, please like, subscribe to the channel, and share with friends and family.